Namaste. I'm a naturopath and yoga practitioner. I'll be showing you some basic exercise first, basic yoga postures which can be done every day, and if you do this much, that is more than enough. More than that, if you have time, depends on time, place, circumstances. If you have more time, more you know opportunity to do that, you can always try for whatever that you can do. But I'll give you the right from a sketching, like from beginning say I'll give you stretching, strengthening, and then some very essential yoga postures that can be done on day-to-day basis. So here we go. First we'll do a stretching because we remain always stiff and lack of the strength. So we focus on first to before moving on to yoga asanas. I recommend one should try for stretching and strengthening first. It will loosen the body, gives you flexibility, a strength in your joints, and then you go on yoga. That's always better. So we'll start. You can do this 10 rounds each side. Yes, why not 10 rounds? You have the options. If you can do this one 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. I'll give you option here. If you can't sit properly, then you have options. You can do only halfway through. 1 2, or you can keep your hands like this. 3 4 5 6. You have the options. You can go half or full, that's up to you. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One, 2, 3, 4, 10. Some more in stretching you can do is this way. 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus you can do some warm up. though I have done. Okay, now